0001, purchase of portable weight explosion or WIM systems with PR number 2026-06-106 dated June 29, 2026, DPWH Region Office 5, Old Airport Road, Barangay 40, Tusada, Legazpi City. And for the infrastructure projects, first is 25X00587, Arivin, construction of school building, Cabangan High School, Barangay Cabangan, Legazpi City, Albay, Legazpi City, Albay, 2nd Legislative District. And third is 25X00611, Organizational Outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse and landslide, 5-way roads, Maharlika Highway, to K0520 plus 622, to K0520 plus 680, Daragal Bay, 2nd Legislative District. Please be informed that all prospective bidders submitted their bids either online or electronically for DO number 87 series of 2020. So before we proceed, may I introduce to you the attendees for today's activity, starting with myself as the MAC chairperson, Attorney Molina M. Bataga, also the Chief of Right of Way Acquisition and Legal Division, and my right is Dr. Maria Chidora Piro Santas, MAC Vice Chairperson, Chief of the Administrative Division. On my left is Engineer Benjamin J. Petri Jr., MAC Regular Member, Chief of the Quality Assurance and Hydrology Division, Engineer Arnel L. Samson, MAC Provisional Member, Chief of the Maintenance Division, Ms. Jeannie M. Bolon, MAC Provisional Member from Administrative Division, Engineer Raymond Pacifico S. Yap, MAC Assistant Head TWD, also the Assistant Chief of the Maintenance Division, and Engineer Jasper M. Abansa, MAC TWD from the Equipment Management Division. Also, we have here an observer from the COA Regional Office 5, Mr. Jun Trianes. And also, we have here prospective bidders for contract ID number 26GF00001 from Sison Marketing Inc., Ms. Dana Laureles, and also Mr. Elvis Galindes from Total Innovative Security Solutions Inc. Okay. So, to continue, may I call on Sir Joe to be in the opening of the bids.
proceed with the opening of 26 GM 00001, procurement of goods, the portable weighing motion. And we have our first bidder is Section Marketing Incorporated. PDF's registration valid until June 8, 2027. Registration particulars, sex certificate, registered as of October 24, 1980. Business permit will expire on December 31, 2026. Tax clearance will expire on December 17, 2026. And audited financial statement was filed on May 15, 2026. So all current. General information sheet. Ano kasi siya? Incorporated. With beneficial ownership declaration. Then list of ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. The document is signed. So, ang particulars nito, name of contract, owner's name, nature of work, bidder's role, date awarded, and date started, and date of completion. With supporting notices of award. Then we have the SLCC. This is signed. The supporting notice of award. Notice to proceed. The contract. DR. And then the inspection and acceptance report with collection receipt. Then all government and private completed contracts. Notice of award, sales invoice. Ang purpose naman ng ating statement of all government private completed contracts is to identify yung SLCC. But in this case, nag-declare na siya kung ano yung SLCC niya. So the same supporting documents, including inspection and acceptance report. Okay. Ano pa? NFCC. Parang dito sa income tax, ITR, kasama rin yung kanyang audited financial statement. For 2025, comparative 2025 and 2024. These were filed electronically with confirmation from the BIR electronically also. PFDS payment details. Hinahanap ko ngayon yung system. Normally yung NFCC nila, sinusunod nila sa IPR. NFCC amounting to 1,873,799,728 pesos. Eligible, so we proceed with the technical component of the bid. The security, the securing declaration. This is signed and notarized. Then the technical proposal indicating herein the bidder's specification, this is signed. Then we have another technical specification indicating herein comply yung mga requirements. Also signed. Brochure. With technical specification indicated for the equipment. Official distributor agreement between AT Applied Traffic and Session Marketing. Grant of distributorship. Delivery schedule. Indicate, this is the document is signed indicating here 60 calendar days delivery. Availability of equipment, warranty and after sales. Issued by the sales engineer who is the signatory for this bill. Then the secretary's certificate issued by the corporate secretary authorizing Dana Rafesh Laureles as the signatory for this bid, signed by the corporate secretary and notarized. Ano pa ako na? Authority of the signatory as a corporate entity complied, not blacklisted in the new format, authenticity to verify disclosure of no relationship. Meron siyang okay, beneficial ownership. Actually, meron siyang pinakita yung kanyang DTI. Sorry, ang SEC registration. The declaration of the one. Labor laws and standards, bidders' responsibilities, did not give or pay advance payment. This is signed and notarized. Next. This is Total Innovative Security Solutions Incorporated. The PhilGIPS registration valid until July 23, 2027. Registration particulars, certificate. It was registered on January 17, 1996. Business permit will expire on December 31, 2026. Tax clearance will expire on June 17, 2027. And the audited financial statement was filed on April 18, 2026. So all current. Excuse me. Meron siyang SEC registration. Thank you. That already includes the beneficial ownership declaration. Then, income tax return, annual income tax return, this is filed electronically with filing reference number. As well as for the audited financial statement, comparative 2025 and 2024. NFCC amounting to 1,202,015,100 pesos. This is signed. Ano pa ang kailangan natin sa eligibility? Okay, sige. List of ongoing this is signed. particulars, name of contract, owner's name, nature of work, bidder's role, date awarded, list of all ongoing work, and the value of outstanding works undelivered. Supporting documents, contract agreement, notice of award. Then completed, name of contract, owner's name, nature of work, bidder's role, amount of award, amount of completion, the duration, date awarded, and date completed. Also, signed. So, nag-declare siya ng isa rito. And I suppose this is already yung may nakalagay naman, singular, just similar contract. Completed contract. Notice to proceed, purchase order, inspection and acceptance report. Okay. Report. Then we go to nag-attach din siya ng kanyang statement of government and private contracts completed, which are similar to contracts to be bid, aside from the SNCC, with the same supporting documents. Then we proceed to ito yung kanyang deed securing declaration. Supposed to be siya yung nakauna sa technical component of deed. This is signed and notarized. Nasign ko na rin muna yung secretary's certificate. This is issued by the corporate secretary, signed by the corporate secretary, authorizing Mr. Justin De Jesus as the signatory. So, meron din siyang sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership. Although nandun na siya, naka-indicate na sa self-registration, which is already acceptable. Puntahan muna, before we go to omnibus sworn statement, puntahan muna natin yung ibang aspeto ng technical component. Schedule of requirements, delivery period, 2 months. With warranty certificate issued by TISSI, President Justin C. Jesus. Manpower requirements complied, document is signed. After sale service, signed. Technical specifications indicating herein the specifications of the equipment being offered. The document is signed with brochure find the specifications. Yun na rin lang, omnibus. Okay, we'll proceed to the omnibus loan statement. Authority of the signatory as a corporate entity complied, not blacklisted in the new format. Authenticity to verify disclosure of no relationship, beneficial ownership, GIS, labor laws and standards, bidders' responsibilities. Did not give or pay advance payment. This is signed and notarized. Okay, these are now the financial components of the bid. First bidder is Section Marketing Incorporated. Formal bid. Signed. Price of goods offered from within the Philippines. Signed. Then the carrying and maintenance cost signed. Bid 3,519,840 pesos only. No discount. 3,519,840.00.
Negative 34.80.
Next is Total Innovative Security Solutions Incorporated. Formal bid. This is signed. Price schedule for goods offered from abroad. Yung sa kanila. This is signed. At meron siyang also for pricing for goods offered from within the Philippines. Also signed. Recurring and maintenance cost, signed. Bid 4,290,000 pesos only, no discount, 4,290,000.00.
Negative 20.56. After the opening of bid for contract ID 26GF 00001, the bidder will answer requiring Decision Marketing Incorporated with negative 24.82 and bid amount of 3,590,840 pesos.
Two reachable and complying bidders will undergo data evaluation under section 61 of RA 12009 SIR, and whoever wants to be the lowest calculated bid, this should undergo cost qualification under section 63 of the same IR. So that includes the opening reading of the bid, bottom ID number 26GF 00001. So we'll proceed to the next project.
you.
So this time, this is contract ID 25F00587. This is a rebid project. So this is a joint venture between Steven Construction and Supply and Roto Construction and Development Corporation. Hindi pa ba ito na-process? Joint venture siya, si Steven sa si Rolco parehas represent ng kanilang mga technical documents. Ang hinahanap ko ay yung kanilang joint venture license. Yung nag-submit ng experience ay si Steven. Yung PC,
Since 887 po, wala akong pick-up license, special pick-up license.
so hindi siya mag-process sa eligibility. Well, anyway, kasi basahin pa rin natin yung kanyang technical component ng bid. Pero dahil wala siyang joint venture license, eligible na siya. Tama ba? Okay. Okay, bid securing declaration. Ang signatory ay si Manuel Ortico. Paano ba natin ma-establish ito kung wala silang joint venture? Sino yung pinili nilang name ano dito?
Sige mo sa boost.
Kasi hindi natin malaman ngayon kung sino yung signatory dun sa joint venture na yun.
Sa certified pa.
Ha?
Ng CTC.
Hindi kasi kung ang pumirma nito, kung may pumirma man nito, nasaan ngayon yung authority niya? Wala siyang authority. Unless, ano ba yung execute nila? Okay, may joint venture agreement pala. Okay, sige, basahin ko yung joint venture agreement between Steven Construction and Supply and Roto Construction and Development Corporation. Si Manuel Urquico Jr. yung appointed na signatory with 51% participation for Steven Construction and Supply and 49% for Rolco Construction. So, signed by both parties and notarized. So, Steven. Proceed na tayo sa technical component of bid. Bid security, bid securing declaration in the new format. Signed and notarized, organizational chart signed. Key personnel for the contract signed. And the project manager, the document is signed and notarized. Kailan ABs kami? So sa project engineer, Daryl, ano yung name? notarized. So, ang naka-attach niya rito ay report of rating because of this deferment, so we still accept yung report of rating.
December 31.
Okay?
Siguro sir,
Sige po.
okay, so before we proceed with the rating of the commitment of the personnel to work for the contract, specifically the project engineers and
Project
engineer
engineer.
lang, okay, project engineer. Okay, so this department issued DO number 119 series of 2026, dated August 13, 2026, with the subject deferment of the assignment of accredited contractors, consultants, project engineers to DPWH projects. So it says that section 3 of Section 3 of DO 169 series of 2025 shall be deferred until December 31, 2026, and this take effect immediately. And Section 3 pertains to the assignment of contractors, consultants, project engineers to DPWH projects. So in view of this DO, we will no longer request for accreditation of project engineer for this project and succeeding projects until December 31,
So
2026.
itong DO119 na yan, regardless kung mataas yung project requiring PE2, hindi pa rin tayo maghahanap.
For provisional use, provisional project.
Walang sinabing pang provisional lang.
Sinabi niya
Sinabi
dito,
niya
provisional,
dito.
pero section 3 ang sinabi niya.
Section 3.
Yung mga provisional project engineers niya na hindi niya sila
Ginawa niya ng
mag-expire
premise,
for-
yung provisional, pero hindi niya i-state na ito. Kasi ang premise niya, considering the significant number of provisional project engineers who have not yet satisfied the requirement of DO 169 series of 2025 regarding the application for regular accreditation within the specified validity period, the implementation of Section 3. So lahat yun, encompassing lahat yun, regardless kung provisional ka, PE1, PE2. Okay? Hindi mo na tayo maghahanap. Tama ba tayo? Tama ba ako sa interpretation ko na yun? Kasi baka mamaya,
Considered sila, sir.
lahat.
Considered sila. dun sa-
Lahat.
Actually,
Pero for...
hindi tayo maghahanap muna.
Hindi.
Okay? So, nag-agree tayo sa interpretation ko, baka mamaya,
Kasi sir, ang nakaspecify wala dun sa first na paragraph, so simply provisional project engineers.
oh, ginawa lang siya
Kaso,
premise. Pero yung
Kaso yung
implementation,
section
Section 3, yung buo.
Yung intern na.
Ayun tayo. Okay, sige. Project engineer, so wala tayong hinahanap na accreditation. The document is signed and authorized. For materials engineer, in effect ito. Okay?
One.
The document is signed and notarized, and the materials engineer is an accredited materials engineer 1. So okay siya. Ngayon, hindi na okay kasi brown out na. Wala na akong makita.
119.
Bilhin din kasi lang. This is for the safety officer. Document is signed and notarized. And the safety officer has completed a 40-hour training for construction safety officer. The construction foreman, the document is also signed and notarized. So ngayon, it's yung equipment. 587.
So, backhoe all models, 1 unit.
Backhoe all models, 1 unit.
Complete batch plan.
Batching plan.
With updated validation certificate 1.
Okay. Batching plan lang ang nakalagay dito. Walang sinabi.
With updated.
Walang updated. Batching plan lang. Sige.
So, 1 building mechanical layout models.
Okay, Liz.
2 dump trucker models.
On.
1 tractor truck.
On.
1 payloader.
On.
1 concrete.
Pumpkin. Liz.
1 SKT and design unit.
Liz.
1 support equipment total station under OCM with updated calibration certificate.
Okay.
Station. 1 support equipment, lighting system, power lights.
Power lights. On.
1 transit mixer oil models.
On.
1 crane pipe set.
Train 5 set. Liz.
1 truck mounted crane oil models.
Chop. Mounted crane. On.
1 vibro hammer, hydraulic pile driver, 4 models. 1 water truck for pump oil mix.
Liz.
And laboratory equipment.
Materials testing equipment. On.
Laboratory.
Batching plan. Read. Chop mounted. Chop mounted crane. Dineclare niya po. Tapos, may list contract. Lagyan. Lahat nasa list. Okay, 25. SPP. This is between Exil Marbella and Manuel Cortico. With accreditation, calibration certification. Actually, yung ano niya ay nirentahan niya kay Highton. Ito kasi ay lease contract pa lang ito. These are signed and this is the notarization. Wala yung certification on availability of equipment to be issued by ICOM. Wala. Okay. Drilling machine. Supporting documents. Equipment lease contract siya. So, dineclare niya siya dito as known. Yung pledge ito, kung equipment ito kasi supporting document lang ito. Itong marami kasi yan. pump rate, yun lang ang declare niya as waste, pump rate. So, komplikado ang buhay ko. Pero ito ay merong statement of availability of equipment. Wala namang nangailangan ng tractor eh. Wala namang loaded trailer. Meron bang meron? May tractor truck lang, walang
Walang head. So, ang tractor truck niya is old, merong lease contract. Then, okay, nandito sa likod pa yung statement of availability of equipment niya doon sa iPhone. So, meron talaga. Ayan lang. So, then, equipment. Sige, brown out of outro. Availability of equipment. Automatic.
Our life once
Ang hangin.
sa testing equipment complied. So, Omnibus, authority and designatory. Merong complied. Nandun siya sa kami. Venture agreement. Not blacklisted in the new format, authenticity to verify, disclosure of no relationship, beneficial ownership information by both parties, at nag-declare sila ng affidavit. Labor laws and standards, bidders' responsibilities did not give or pay, advance payment, signed and notarized. Okay. ISO. Kailangan ng ISO ano? Meron. Beneficial ownership. Pareha sila may ISO. Okay.
Saan po sila sa papasok? Sa proprietorship o sa corporation? Yung isa po kasi DTI, yung isa secretary.
Pareha sila nag-submit ng kanilang legal documents.
So, check ko pala.
Check mo pareha.
So, pala. Yung SLCC message, alam mo.
SLCC. Ang nag-submit lang dito actually ay si I suppose ang kailangan kasi ni Urquico ay yung experience ni Destura. Kaya si Destura ang nag-submit. Si Steven. List of all ongoing and private contracts with notice of award supporting documents plus yung completed, yung SLCC nila. Although si Manuel Urquico ang pumirma ng form, pero yung notice of award ay kay Jocelyn Destura. Pati yung mga supporting documents. Ang problema, wala silang joint venture license.
Okay. No attached special pickup license and registration for this venture. And no attached proof of ownership of that equipment.
Opo. Meron kasi siyang own. Meron kasi siyang mga equipment na dineclare niya as own, pero yung supporting document ay para sa lease. Ang main document natin ay yung list of equipment. Kung ano yung dineclare mo doon, yun yun.
Before we proceed, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Engineer Alex Lacuna, provisional member and the chief of the construction division.
Maulan na hapon.
declared to be ineligible for the reason that there is no attached submitted special pickup license and registration, no attached proof of ownership of such equipment as owned. And hence, there is a declaration of failure of bidding since no bids complied as to whether or not it is a compliant with the technical and technical component of the bids. Okay, so let's proceed to second. Ano ba to? Okay, yun ba siya? Okay. Likewise, it is hereby declares that since this contract ID is a rebid, and there is a second failure of bidding, under section 35, the mode of procurement will be negotiated procurement under A12009 and its implementing rules and regulations.
Pwede na siyang, qualified na siya as negotiated procurement, pero nasa ano pa rin yun. Kung i-request no implementing office or ng planning. Kasi palagi ang default niya is competitive public bidding. Pero dahil qualified na siya for negotiated procurement, dahil dalawang beses na siya nag-fail, pwede na. Hindi kasi automatic na.
So we will request from the implementing office as to what kind of procurement.
Sila ang mag-request nila sa BAC kung gusto na nila yung to-fail bidding.
So let's proceed to the second contract ID number.
25F00611. We also have a loan bidder for this contract ID. Golden Block Construction and Supply. Bid security, bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. Organizational chart signed. Key personnel for the contract signed with affidavit of commitment by the project manager. Signed and notarized by the project engineer. Signed and notarized. Accreditation not required for the meantime until December 31, 2026. Materials engineer, signed and notarized, and he is an accredited ME1. The foreman, signed and notarized. Safety officer, signed and notarized, and she has completed a 40-hour training in construction occupational safety and health. Equipment. Sorry, naglagay siya rito ng hindi pa ito equipment. Statement of all ongoing. Requirement na pala natin. And statement of SLCC. Also signed. With supporting documents. Acceptance. Straight line diagram. Signed equipment.
One bulldozer or models. vehicles and mixer of models, like cruiser, 2 units,
Okay, parehas
mixer,
lease.
3 dump trucks or models,
Owned. Tatlo.
1 cargo or service truck or models,
Owned.
1 water truck or pump or models,
Water truck lease.
1 complete batch plant with updated calibration certificate,
Lease.
1 tow bed trailer,
Lease.
1 truck tractor,
Lease.
1 support equipment genset under OCF,
Owned.
2 support equipment tower lights,
One. Owned. One. Lease pa ito. Dalawang owned.
1 support equipment automatic level with updated calibration certificate under OCN,
Lease.
1 support equipment total station under OCN with updated calibration certificate,
Lease.
1 payloader or models of disposal area, disposal.
Okay. Lease.
1 cargo or service truck or models,
Service truck. Owned.
and laboratory equipment.
Ang service truck niya ba, ilan ang kailangan? Dalawa. Kasi merong 9 metric tons, merong 10, 13
Service truck, 13 to 15 metric tons, 320 horsepower, only 1.
Isa. Yung isa, 9 metric tons, either cargo or service truck. conflict. Omnibus, sworn statement, sworn affidavit of eligibility and beneficial ownership. Omnibus, authority of the signatory as a sole proprietor complied, not blacklisted in the new format, authenticity to verify, disclosure of no relationship, beneficial ownership, and labor laws and standards. Bidders' responsibilities did not give or pay advance payment signed and notarized. NFCC, di ba, ano na yun sa pag-prenasis na? Pag-prenasis na tayo.
Item na. So, based on the contract proper processing result for contract ID number 25F0611, major category of works, low protection, business structural measures, William Taylor Construction and Supply is eligible. As the NFCC passed, 127,589.89.
Financial component of the bid. Form of bid, signed, bill of quantities, 2 pages of signed, summary of bid prices signed, detailed estimates with summary of unit prices signed. Bid 4,680,322 pesos and 70 centavos only, no discount. 4,680,322.70, no discount.
Negative 3. After the opening of bid for contract ID 25F0611, the loan and compliant leaders calling Taylor Construction and Supply, negative 3, and bid amount of 4,680,322 pesos and 70 centavos.
Individuals and servants, the loan eligible and complying with the Golden Taylor Construction Supply, with the Section 61 of Law 2609, which is liable, and if found to be the lowest of the single calculated bid, the same shall undergo cost verification under Section 63 of the same law. So that concludes the opening of the bid for contract ID number 25F0661. So there really no other projects. This activity is hereby adjourned.